Hey guys, today we got a Leer 100R series. Fits the 19 to 24 Ram 2500 3500 8-foot bed. It'll also work on the 09 to 18 body style Rams with the 8-foot bed, and the Ram Classics with the 8-foot bed. So it's the older body style. They ran through the 2500 and 3500s. It is specifically built. Wow, had a hard time with that one. Specifically built for the 2500 3500s, but they're super close, and most people can't even tell the difference on those. White in color. It's in great shape. We just took it off the truck, so it hasn't had a bunch of chance to get tore up. There's a little bit of a scuff mark right there. Not sure what it is. Looks good through here. Does have the roof rack tracks on the top. Paint looks good through here. Bottom edge is in great shape because it's not been set on the ground and chewed up. It's a little bit of a scratch, chip right there. It's good through there. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. A little bit of a wear mark right there. I'm gonna hit the back of the cab probably. No damage on the paint there, on the top edge. It's been pretty well taken care of. A little bit of a wear mark there where it's hit the back of the cab. Down through here looks good, no damage. All through here looks good. So it does have the picture window in the front. Side's in good shape. A little bit of a mark there and a little bit of a stress crack there, but nothing real major. Top on the top edge looks good here. A little bit of a chip right there. So it does have the roof tracks on it. So you can put the Thule racks, the Yakima racks on there, and put your kayak racks up there. Luggage racks, whatever you're using, whatever you want to use them for. Bottom edge on this side looks good because, like I said, we took this directly off the truck and it's not been on the ground. It's been sitting on these boards, the shipping rails. So a little bit of a chip right there, small chip right there. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Little scuff right there on the back corner. Little scuff right there. Yeah, it's a little chip or scratch. A couple small chips right there. Really looks good. That was a bug or something. That didn't come off when we washed it. Inside is carpeted. There's a carpeted interior in it. It does have the cargo net on there, which is why they put the roof tracks on there. That's how it, the gear net they call it by Leer. That is how it attaches to the ceiling using the bolts that hold down the roof tracks. But you get the tracks and you can use that for kayak, pull your kayaks on the top and put your gear inside here. Screens look good. There's a little bit of, oh, I see it there. A little bit of a hole in the screen there. Didn't see that. It is carpeted on the inside, picture window in the front. Screen's in good shape on this side. So there is no serial number on this one. Apparently the guy who owned it Didn't want anybody to know what the serial number was, I guess. I don't know. But I have a picture of it on the truck it was on, so we can post that on there as well, so you'll see that that's what it does fit. That's so specifically was for the 19 to 24 Ram 2500 3500 beds with the 8-foot bed. That's super close to the 09 to 18 body style. So if you have an 09 to 18 Ram with the 8-foot bed, or the Ram Classic, the 19 to 24 Ram Classics body style, it has to be the classic body style. It can't be the new body style, or it has to be 2500 3500. If you got that, this will work just fine. So below this, the link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase online, make arrangements, pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. So you can click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap, style, model, brand, color, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button below to keep up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. Do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.